Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best torque converter kit is probably one of the most crucial upgrades for anyone looking to optimize their small engine's performance, transforming a sluggish ride into a powerful, responsive machine capable of tackling various terrains and tasks with unparalleled efficiency, making it an essential component for go-karts, mini bikes, and other recreational vehicles seeking the extra edge in power delivery and smooth acceleration. Number 5. Comet TAV 230 Series Go-Kart Torque Converter Kit. Upgrade your go-kart or small vehicle with this powerful torque converter kit. It's designed to replace existing units and significantly enhance your driving experience. This kit is a direct replacement for many popular Comet TAV2 torque converters. Easily upgrade from a centrifugal clutch, saving you money and hassle from worn-out units. Experience more takeoff power, smoother acceleration, and improved climbing ability. It provides increased torque at low speeds and higher top-end speeds for an exhilarating ride. Perfect for a range of small vehicles, including go-karts, mini bikes, lawnmowers, and ATVs. This versatile system adapts to many applications. It easily bolts onto most engines featuring a horizontal shaft, from brands like Briggs, Honda, and Kohler. This ensures broad compatibility for your motor. This complete package includes both drive and driven clutch pulleys, a belt, an aluminum engine mount plate, and all necessary mounting hardware. It also provides sprockets for both 40-41 and 35 chains. What we like. This is a direct replacement for many Comet TAV 230 series models, making upgrades simple. It offers superior takeoff power and smoother acceleration compared to centrifugal clutches. If you're looking to upgrade your existing centrifugal clutch system for better performance and a complete, ready-to-install package, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Jeremywell 40 Series Torque Converter Kit. Looking to enhance your vehicle's performance? This kit is designed to deliver reliable power transmission for various applications. It directly replaces popular Comet 40D series torque converter models like 209133A, 209139A, and 209151A. It also serves as a perfect substitute for Menko 2432. This versatile torque converter is engineered to fit a wide range of engines. It's compatible with units from 8 to 18 horsepower. Experience smooth power delivery with an engagement range between 1600 and 3300 RPM. This ensures efficient operation for your machinery. Featuring a 1-inch driver and 3 4-inch driven pulley, it provides precise power transfer. This design ensures robust and consistent performance. Please note that installation instructions are not included with this kit. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. What we like. This kit is a direct replacement for Comet 40D series models, ensuring a seamless fit. It's designed for higher horsepower engines, specifically 8 to 18 HP, providing robust performance. If you have a powerful engine and need a reliable, direct replacement for your 40D series system, this option is perfectly suited. What people say. Number 3. Jeremywell 40 Series Torque Converter Kit. Introducing the Jeremywell 40 Series Torque Converter Kit. This essential component is designed to seamlessly replace various Comet 40D series torque converter models, ensuring a perfect fit for your equipment. It directly replaces models like 209133A, 209133, 209139A, 209139, 209151A, and Menko 2432. You can trust it for a reliable and efficient swap. This robust torque converter is engineered to work with a wide range of engines. It's compatible with 8 to 18 horsepower engines, providing versatile application. Experience smooth and consistent power delivery with its optimized engagement range. It operates efficiently between 1600 and 3300 RPM. Featuring a 1-inch driver and 3 4-inch driven pulley, it ensures precise power transfer. This design guarantees reliable operation for your machinery. Please note that instructions are not included with this kit. Professional installation is recommended to ensure proper setup and functionality. What we like. This converter is also a direct replacement for Comet 40D series, offering reliable performance. Its engagement range of 1,600 to 3,300 revolutions per minute provides precise power delivery for various applications. If you require a specific engagement window for smooth starts and consistent power, this model delivers that controlled experience. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to select points. Number 2. Jeremywell 40 Series Torque Converter Kit. Looking to enhance your vehicle's performance? It is designed to deliver superior power transmission for your needs. It's a perfect replacement for various Comet 40D series torque converter models. You can easily upgrade your existing system with this reliable component. It also replaces Manco 2432 and specific Comet models like 209133A, 209139A, and 209151A. Ensure a seamless fit for your machinery. Designed to work with 8 to 18 horsepower engines, it provides robust performance. Experience improved efficiency across a wide range of applications. Its engagement range is precisely set between 1600 and 3300 RPM. This ensures smooth power delivery and optimal operation. Featuring a 1-inch driver and a 7/8-inch driven pulley, it ensures a precise fit. These components are engineered for durability and consistent performance. What we like. This unit is another reliable replacement for Comet 40D series, supporting 8 to 18 HP engines. A key differentiator is its 7/8 driven pulley, which might be crucial for specific setups. If your current system or desired build requires a 7/8 driven pulley for compatibility or performance tuning, this is the exact match you'll need. What people say. Number 1. Jeremywell 30 Series Torque Converter Kit. This versatile torque converter kit is designed for a wide range of small vehicles. You can use it in go-karts, mini bikes, ATVs, and even riding lawnmowers. It significantly boosts your vehicle's performance. You'll notice more takeoff power, smoother acceleration, and improved climbing ability. This system provides increased torque at lower speeds and higher speeds at the top end. It ensures a powerful and efficient ride every time. It's a direct replacement for many existing torque converters, making upgrades simple. If you're currently using a centrifugal clutch, you can easily switch to this unit and save money. This kit bolts onto most engines featuring a horizontal shaft. It's compatible with popular brands like Briggs, Honda, Kohler, and many others. You get a complete kit with both drive and driven clutch pulleys, a belt, and an aluminum engine mount plate. All necessary mounting hardware is also provided for a straightforward installation. What we like. This 30 series kit is a fantastic option, especially if you're running a Predator 212cc engine, for which it's highly compatible. It's a complete package, including all necessary hardware for a smooth installation and immediate performance boost. If you own a Predator 212cc and want a comprehensive, easy-to-install kit to enhance your vehicle's power and speed, this is your go-to choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, so no positive product details could be quoted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.